was the one thing I asked. The one thing.
Stay out of trouble.
Stay out of trouble. Right.
It was my fault.
I don't think so. You've got to stop taking the heat for this knucklehead.
Pray for the strength that I will not pluck the eyeballs out of my youngest son. Ha!
Why did you speak for me?
Because I know what it's like to be one big disappointment. Dad, I want to go with you.
You've done enough.
Dad, just breathe.
It's him.
Know that it's Loak. Sorry, sir. I'm sorry about the time. It's all my fault.
Focus. I can't make it. You can't. You can't.
No.
You gotta go right now.
No. Can't lose you too, Dad. Please.
I see you.